Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll learn how to make maps in ArcGIS. So first of all, you have to know the basics concept of map making. So let's start it. So first one is, what is map? In simple words, a map is a symbolic representation of any geographic place. I have collected some major map elements which are the following. These are title, legend, north arrow, neat line, grid, page setup and scale. So most important element in mapping is title. Every map have title which describe what thing is visualizing that particular map. Next is the legend. Legend is a representation of real objects as map elements. For example, like hospitals is represented by plus sign which is in red color, and then is north arrow which representing the direction of your map, then the neat line which describes the boundary of the map, then grid which is used for the reference of map projection or coordinate system. These are the network of parallel and perpendicular lines. The next one is the scale. Scale is a relationship between the distance on the map and the distance on the ground. There are the two types of the scales. First one is the relative scale. This type of the scale represents the one unit of measure on map of any unit which is equal to 25,000 of the same unit on the earth. The other one is the absolute scale, which represents the 1 centimeter on the map which is equal to 25,000 meters on the earth's surface. So the difference between the both of them is that the absolute scale mention their unit while the relative scale doesn't. The another concept of the small scale and large scale map is that small scale maps shows the large geographic area with few details on them, while the large scale maps shows the small geographic area with greater amount of details. So these are the few map elements. You should have their basic concepts before making maps. So map making is an art which is totally depend upon how creative is your mind. It is up to you. You have to design the map in such a way that anyone can understand easily by visualizing. Even he don't need to read the caption. So it must have a unique and comprehensive map. You must have to know at the other end the client is a layman. He doesn't know the map elements. He doesn't know what is the north arrow, scale bar, neat line, etc. So you have to make a comprehensive and unique map which can be understood easily. So let's do an activity on ArcMap. For example, I want to create a study area map of New York. So I have a data of all states of the US. I will load on the ArcView. This one. Now I have to select the New York. You can select the New York by going to attribute table. And this one. There is another way to select any particular area. So for that purpose you have to go to selection tool and select by attribute. Select the field and then go to get unique values. You have to search there New York and this one. Apply and OK. So as you see, the New York has been selected. Now I want to extract the shapefile of the New York. So you have to go to right click there, go to data and export data. I will select my folder New York. And click on save and OK. Do you want to add the exported data on map as a layer? Yes. So as you see, this is your New York shapefile and this is all the states of the USA. So the data has been prepared. Now you have to go to layout view, which is right there. So first of all, you have to set your page. For that purpose, you have to right click there and go to page and print setup. Frequently we used A4 size. You can choose any type of the size according to your map application. So I choose the A4 size. And orientation landscape, as I want to make study area map, so I choose landscape in that manner. So click on OK. Now you have to add a new data frame for New York shapefile. Click on there and adjust them. I will set drag into this data frame. Now you have to design your map. Let's do this. Zoom in. Click there for boundary marcation. One, 2, 3, and 4. Change its color. Now you have to add north arrow. Insert this scale bar. You can also change its division unit into kilometers and also change its label into km. You can also moves towards the more professional. I change into the 2 subdivisions and 4 main divisions. Now it looks more professional. Now you have to apply the grid. So double click on there, grid, new grid, next, only labels, next, and finish. Apply. So you have to go to properties to change and modify your grid. So I want to just show the coordinates on the bottom and the left, so I uncheck this. I choose the Times New Roman and 14 bold, and also I want this is the horizontal orientation of the coordinate. I want vertical, so I check the left side of my coordinate system. My grid should be in vertical position, so apply and OK. Apply. So as you see, this coordinate has been removed and is showing only on left side and the bottom side. Now I have to apply the extent of this study area. So go to there, extent indicator, click there and apply and OK. So this is showing the extent of my study area. Now you have to choose a line there. From the drawing tool, you can add the drawing tool on clicking on a draw tool. So I choose the line and click there and there. I change its color into red. Apply. OK. And I also draw the line there. So I want to change the color of my extent of the study area. So I go to there, double click and go to frame and change its color into red. and apply and OK. So as you see, the color of the data frame is not changed because the grid has also frame of black color, so I changed the color of the grid. So go to grid and properties, simple border I change into 0 and OK and OK and apply. So now it's look more professional. Now I have to add the title, so go to there and title study area map of New York. Double click there for more changing. I'll choose the Times New Roman, increase its size to 28 and bold. Okay. Add more text. Change its style, Times New Roman. Okay, now you have to export this map. Right click there and export map. You can choose any of this format. I can choose PNG format and save this. So this is our study area map of New York. So in this way you can create maps in ArcGIS. You can add more and more elements according to your situations, and how the maps look like more interactive. So this is all. If you really liked that video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.